Hey, what's going on, folks? So today I want to show you something super cool that we've created on Cloudverse/Project Compound. We basically set up a webhook that goes and updates an Airtable record. So just kind of showing off this application here, we've selected webhook. It gets us a auto-generated URL once it's deployed, and then what we've done is over here set up our Airtable API tokens, the base ID that we're updating, and the table name that we're updating. So once all that has been set up, what we've gone and done is basically in our Shopify, we've added a webhook. So a webhook is something that gets fired anytime an action happens. So in this case, we've actually entered a webhook for order update. So it's super easy. What ends up happening is once the application is deployed, you end up getting a webhook. You basically just copy this value and you can actually paste it right in this URL. So that's what we've done over here. The order up, anytime an order updates, it basically goes to that webhook. That webhook will send it to Airtable, and then Airtable over here will actually update our spreadsheet. So to give you a demo, so I have my orders here. I'm just going to go ahead and create an order here. Go ahead and add a product. So over here, let's just do main snowboard and the collection snowboard. Hit add. I am going to add the customer. So in this case, we'd use Team Clover. And right now there is no shipping address configured properly, but I will show what ends up happening. So yeah, we created an order. We can say payment is due later. We can say due on fulfillment, and we can go ahead and say create order. What that will do is it will actually send sort of this order to the webhook, and then what you will end up getting is a new row here that should, there it is, a new row that actually shows what the order details are. You can actually go into the order from the Airtable as well, but you can see like the total and what the financial status is. Additionally, let's say you say, hey, I've already collected the payment, mark as paid, and then let's say you do enter a new address. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and say 210 Simcoe. Oh, 210 Simcoe. And I can go ahead and hit save. What that would also do is on the order side over here, so we do actually have a column here, it will actually update the address as well. I can actually say, I can go ahead and say edit shipping address. Let's say we do 325 Front Street West, Toronto, Ontario. Hit save. As that has been updated, you will see it get updated over here as well. So this is pretty cool because now you can actually basically have a updated spreadsheet every time orders come in or orders get updated. If you do need to send the spreadsheet over, you can just hit download CSV. Or you want to filter by saying like, hey, let's say, we want to say the created ad date is after a certain date. You can do that. Create date is, or let's say enter date, just today, for example. Oh, that may not have given it. There it is. So July 3rd, 7/4/24, which is just UTC timestamp. But yeah, we can apply conditions here. We can do a bunch of stuff. Yeah, that's in a nutshell is a sort of a simple explanation on how we've configured a webhook on Project Compound or Clover to basically send to Airtable. And what that does is in Shopify for us keeps the orders up to date and their status up to date. Now, I actually want to outline that this is just right now through Webhook to Airtable, but potentially it could be configured with other stuff as well. So if you want to send the data from Webhook into a DynamoDB, which is a database, or you want to send it to, let's say, a HubSpot. You want to send it to HubSpot as well. That's also possible. So yeah, there's a lot of potential areas that you can use this integration with, not just Airtable. Hope you folks found that helpful. If there are any other integrations that you potentially need, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help. Thank you.